When you are snoring, you're losing the flow of air in your throat. That could be for a lot of different reasons. But evolutionarily, what happened is if we lose airflow, our brain thinks that we are being strangled. So someone who's snoring and is not getting enough airflow is sending a signal to their brain, which then causes the fight and flight response to be triggered. That person, while still asleep, is preparing to fight off whatever is strangling them, which means that they release hormones and stimulants to get them awake, to raise their blood pressure, to raise their heart rate, to release sugar. And this fight-flight response stops the minute that the person takes the next breath. But all of those chemicals that have been released to prepare you to fight cause harm. They will cause elevation in blood pressure. They'll promote the development of cardiovascular disease. They'll promote weight gain because you've released sugar into your system and you've also released insulin. So in short, snoring is something that triggers the fight or flight response, and over a period of time, we know now has a significant impact on a variety of your body systems.